I'm Stephanie and welcome to my very first talking video. So today I'm working on an 11 by 14 inch wood panel, and as you can see the panel is already flooded with a black color, and today I'll be using only pearl color to create the design, which is the first one here. It's pearl violet, then it will be pearl blue, and then pearl red by Amsterdam. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now I'll let you enjoy watching this canvas come to life. Here I'm applying a ready-to-use water-based preparation for gluing gold leaf and flakes called Mixtion, and it's by Pebeo.